When you're traveling comfortably and safely in a car or an airplane, you may not know that a 23-year-old Malaysian company here in Subang Jaya has a small but vital role in this. It produces the chemical performance additives that need to be added to help in the process of manufacturing rubber products which everyone uses daily. Performance Additives, a 100% fully German-owned company, supplies its additives to rubber production plants in 60 countries across 6 continents. More than 90% of its products are supplied to leading tire producers in the world. The plant here is the head office, despite it having one each in Italy and the United States. In addition, the firm is headed by Malaysian Maggie Chung for the last 10 years, something that is rare in firms fully owned by foreigners. She was appointed Managing Director in 2012.
Why choose Malaysia, not Italy? Because Malaysia has talents. It's 100% German families. Of course, empowerment to the local people also. Right. As you showed, one of the empowerment factors in performance.
Dr. Jens Schwentner, Managing Director of Behn Meyer, which is the parent company of Performance Additives, chipped in to say that being located in Malaysia means the firm is self-sufficient in raw materials, a vital ingredient in all the additives it produces.
And that's actually one of the reasons why we are here in Malaysia, because here we have the raw material basis. In general, any rubber part you see, maybe it's a gasket, a sealant, or it's a hose, it's rollers. Any rubber article may use our processing additives, and I would say in the average 90% of the rubber parts really use it.
Dr. Yen raised eyebrows when he said the performance additives constitute only about 1% of the rubber products in general.
For latex, and one of the components you have to mix into latex. That is especially for latex, this instrument, because as I said, we are producing in our Italian company these specialty accelerators, which are then here sold to the glove manufacturers, and there this is very important, of course, the particle size.
Dr. Yen said the processing additives improve the process of producing a tire, adding that general rubber production is not an easy task like plastic production.
Because rubber is not going through a liquid phase. Rubber, you all know, is a tough thing. Now you have to put in all kinds of chemicals. That is not so easy, so you need huge mixers to incorporate these chemicals into the rubber.
Dr. Yen says this is where the processing additives, which are only 1% of the whole mixture, come into play. He said they can reduce the viscosity during the production process so that you don't need much energy in the production process. Maggie Chung said Performance Additives is the leading manufacturer of rubber processing additives in the world, with its products reaching 60 countries across 6 continents, adding it is the premium supplier to the international rubber and plastic industry. This company started in 1999, and 23 years later, they're still here in the same place in Subang Jaya. For her, joining the industry after graduating with a chemical degree from a local university turned out to be a blessing, as it was a perfect fit, with her career blossoming within a short time.
I started with a very young day in a trading company, chemical industry, for the last 15 years. So it brought from myself from the executive level, sales executive, knowing nothing, just knowing, but graduate from a chemistry degree. So from there, I learned it in the trading company and do it at that bit. The first industry I was in is rubber industry, dry rubber industry in Malaysia.
Fortunes for Maggie Chung changed when one of the directors offered her the post of global sales lead
for its Fluxus, Italy plant in 2009.
Which was bought over by Performance Additives shortly after, where she continued as its general manager. Her meteoric rise in her career continued when the company, recognizing her talent, made her the managing director the following year.
Then I become one of the assets for them. Okay, maybe you join us to Malaysia. Stay in Malaysia and Subang Jaya and continue as a GM, General Manager in Performance Additives. It was year 2011. So in that case, within, I still remember it's April 2011. 1st of April actually, April Fool Day. Yeah. So that year, within the end of the year, the boss, the founder of the Performance Additives is a German, Mike Wohlers. He has been empower me that you will be assigned to executive directors in 6 months by early of 2012. Then a pathway to a managing director in 2012, mid of the year. So this being trust from a founder on me to continue his journey in this company. I never touched a processing add in rubber industry, but I love to say this product, something that we can do better to sell to the world market. I take up the challenge and continue. Of course, structuring, people, market, within 6 months, is able to adapt to all these things.
Maggie Chung said the firm's commitment towards conducting its operations in an ethical, socially responsible, and environmentally sustainable manner has received validation from EcoVadis, which gave a Silver Sustainability Rating Award in 2021.
Chung said there is more to come in this segment with new sustainability regulations expected, especially in Europe.
It will change the industry due to increased customer demand for a safer and ethically produced goods and services. Therefore, Performance Additives, knowing what is the community needs, the environmental segment, it will continue to sustain this as a sustainable business.
She said the company will also look at what it can give back to society and is also committed to respecting human rights and the community.
It's actually very much emphasized by not only by the government and also by the customer, regionally. I will say that we are management very committed on this.
Maggie Chung said her motivation to bring Performance Additives to greater heights has come from enjoying what she does.
I enjoy what am I doing today. I have passion and enthusiasm in the rubber business, especially enjoying dealing with different kind of business culture in various countries across the group.